That night, I told you not to be heroes. I told both of you. What did Eddie do? He charged into a swarm of killer bats.
To save my life.
He saved no one.
He saved everyone.
You can keep telling yourself that, Henderson, but deep down, the reason you're so goddamn pissed is because you know the truth. Eddie wanted to play hero, and he made a dumb call, and he got himself killed.
Stop being so selfish, please. If you go on there, you're gonna die, and I can't deal with it again. You can't die because I can't deal with it again. Don't let it happen again. Please. Please don't let it happen again. Not you.
Brrr.